At the same time, you can do meditate. Yeah, you can close your eye, stay calm, feeling like please try to control your mind. Stay in the moment now. Stay in the present. Stay at your breathing. Or you can put to in and out. Put in to out. Try to control your feeling. Try to control your thoughts. Do not jump to the past. Do not jump in the future. Must jump in the moment now. Yeah. Mostly, most people they like to jump your thoughts. Jump to everywhere. Jump to your friend. Jump to your family. Jump to the past. Jump to the future. Always thinking. Every minute. Thinking. Think. That's make your feeling is bad. Feeling is good. Come from the thinking. Yeah. Sometimes your emotion feeling bad come from your karma. You're done before is bad thing. Then you think too, and then you make your emotion is getting bad. Yeah. That's why we have to stay in the moment. That's why we have to stay in here and now. Here and now, please try to. It's like a thought. It's like a